how to create this styrofoam folder card for birthday. Let's start, and for this we need one yellow sheet, one 30 into 14 cm black sheet and 3 rectangular sheet of black color, pink color and cream color, double-sided tape, scale, pencil, sketch, fabric and scissor. First we take black sheet of 30 into 14 cm and now mark it 5, 10, 20 and 25 cm. And now we join all the lines. Now take on the corner lines, this and this, mark it 4 and 10 cm. Similarly on this side. Now we join the lines. Now we cut this part of the black sheet. We cut these lines like this, and now we fold it like this. Now we fold this side like this. Now we fold second line on above side, and also we fold below second lines like this. Now after folding, this side will look like this, and similarly we can do other side. Take third line of the center and fold it like this. We have to fold it on below side and the below line on the above side. Exactly opposite to first corner. Now we fold it like this. Press it very tightly like this. After pressing, it will look like this. And now we take yellow sheet. We have to cut from it four pieces of 4.5 cm and 3.5 cm, and we take 9.5 cm to 3.5 cm sheet. According to this size, we cut yellow sheet like this. And now it's time to stick all the yellow sheet on black sheet. Firstly, we stick all the corner sheets. Like this. Similarly, we can do on other side. After sticking, it will look like this, and now we fold it. Press it again properly. It's time to use rectangles for making heart. Take red and black sheet and make heart on the both rectangles. Make heart like this. Similarly, we can do on that sheet. Both hearts are ready, and we stick red heart on black sheet. The heart is ready. Similarly, we make 2 more hearts. And stick both hearts on the first corner of the card. We stick the heart using double-sided tape. We stick both the hearts like this. And now we are using a black strip to stick there. And we stick black strip like this. And now we stick the heart their side. And we stick the heart like this, and their side I will use black strip for sticking on the side. Now card is ready and it's time to write. After write, it will look like this. Now it's time to decorate the card. Now the card is ready.